Ever pondered over how to cultivate a successful garden? Well, today, we're delving into 10 tips that could help you achieve those blooming gardening goals. First up, it's all about location, location, location. Your garden needs to bask in enough sunlight and have good drainage. These are the fundamental elements that will set your garden up for success. Secondly, don't skimp on soil quality. Healthy soil is the bedrock of a thriving garden, so invest in the best you can find. Third on the list is water consistency. Regularly check your soil's moisture levels to ensure your plants are receiving the hydration they need. A well-watered plant is a happy plant. Our fourth tip is to mulch your garden beds. This helps to retain moisture and suppress pesky weeds. It's a simple yet effective way to boost your garden's health. Fifth, remember to know your plants. Understanding their specific needs in terms of sunlight, water, and space can make a world of difference in their growth. Tip 6 is all about weeding. Regular weeding keeps your garden looking neat and tidy, and importantly prevents unwanted competition for nutrients. Moving on to our seventh tip, fertilize your plants appropriately. Each plant has its own nutritional needs, so feeding them accordingly is crucial for their development. Eighth on our list is pest and disease monitoring. Early detection can save your plants from significant damage, so keep a keen eye out for any signs of trouble. Our ninth tip is about maintenance. Staying on top of tasks like pruning and deadheading can keep your garden in peak condition. And last but definitely not least, tip 10, be patient and enjoy the process. Gardening is a journey, not a destination, so take the time to savor every moment of it. To recap, cultivating a successful garden involves choosing the right location, investing in quality soil, watering consistently, mulching, understanding your plants, regular weeding, appropriate fertilization, pest and disease monitoring, regular maintenance, and above all, patience and enjoyment in the process. With these tips, you're well on your way to achieving your gardening goals.